Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add video in Google Slides. If you want to add a video to your presentation, you need to open Google Drive and then you need to upload here a video which you want to insert in Google Slides. So for example, I drag and drop this video to Google Drive and after that it will be successfully uploaded to Google Drive. After that we need to go back to our presentation in Google Slides. And here we need to go to Insert tab, we need to go to Video tab, and now you need to find your video in the directory where you have uploaded your film. After that you need to select it, and here you have option Insert. Then it will be successfully added to your presentation. So now you can easily resize it if you want. And of course, if you want to play it, you need to start a slideshow by clicking on this one option, and then you need to click on Play. After that, your video will be successfully started, yeah? So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to add video in Google Slides, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.